an HJ. How you doing? I got two reasons for my call this morning. One thing is the security light is out in the hallway. It went out last night around 8 o'clock. Okay, you think we can get that fixed?
Okay.
And the second reason is, again, my upstairs neighbors in 8L are blaring a TV now. My walls are vibrating.
Okay.
You'll see, I've had this problem with them with the stereo. I've logged hundreds of calls to the Atlanta Police Department. They will not do anything. They put it in your lap. So now the stereo stopped, but the TV started. And I've told whoever I talked to before that I can give detailed call logs to 911 that measure in the hundreds about this to the management. If they want to see them, I have them. I have no problem. There are too many people up there. There should be no more than 4 adults up there. And I've got proof of 10 to 12 to 15.
Oh, wow.
Yes, ma'am, and I can prove that, and I can give it to your office at any time that's convenient to you.
Okay. Are you able to bring that in?
What time do you close? Because I really don't want to until my daughter gets in.
I got you. We don't close till 5.
Okay, could you?
We'll be closing at 4. I do
Oh,
apologize.
okay. How about tomorrow? What time tomorrow?
Okay. Tomorrow it'll be regular normal hours, 9 to 5.
Can I schedule a time like about 10 minutes before 5 or a quarter till 5 so I can come down there and show you some information?
Okay. Because according to how long it is, we do close at 5. So.
Yeah, I know. It's just that I can't walk that well, and it's hard for me to get around, and I really don't like walking by myself because I will fall.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you see what I'm saying? And I'm in the house by myself during the day. That's why I usually send one of my kids down there to take care of business or whatever. So.
Okay, I got you, Miss April. Okay, well, give me your telephone number.
Sure, no problem. 404 933 1685.
404.
933 933.
Oh, 933. I'm sorry.
1685.
685.
No, 1685.
1685. Okay. My phone, I think it's breaking up, and I
It's this
apologize.
cheap
Okay.
phone. It's this cheap phone I have. Don't worry about it. It's on my end, not yours.
Oh, okay. I will bring this to the property manager's attention, okay?
Okay, can you do something about the loud blaring TV above my head, same as with the
Yes,
stereo?
ma'am. That's what I'm going to discuss with her now.
Okay, and like I said, so I'll see someone down in the office tomorrow afternoon, late afternoon. Yes, no?
I'm sorry.
I said, am I still on? I can show you the evidence that I have tomorrow late afternoon. You said yes? Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Phone's breaking up on this end and I'm not hearing. Okay, well, I'll do that. I'll come on down there tomorrow afternoon and show you what I have. Thank you. Bye-bye. And call.